Well, I was a Lux face when I was in my 20s. So it's began a long time ago, and it was really wonderful those days. And there was this gentleman called Mr. Venugopal who used to come from Chennai, and we used to think it was so prestigious to be part of the Lux campaign. We used to vie with each other, all the other leading ladies, and we thought it was a great honor. And now, 50 years later, they've still thought of me, so I think it's wonderful. I think they're all the people, all the wonderful actors who've been part of Lux brand has been phenomenal. They are all achievers and beautiful, and not just beautiful, they're they've left their mark in the industry. They're really great achievers. I know, Karina is also part of it, and I'm. Is this some kind of an ad for something else? Yeah. Is this? But it's very interesting. I want to know what's happening there. Okay, all right. Yeah. No, I was just saying that I was part of it many years ago when I was 20, in my 20s, and Karina also now is also. So there is a continuous beautiful faces, wonderful elegance, and I think it's great the way the parampara, the tradition has continued with Lux. Yes, I think it's great. Shahrukh did that once, if you remember, with I think he was in a bathtub or something. So this time, of course, he's with us and he's serenading us, and he's having a great time, and he's absolutely charming, and he's very good to all of us, and he inspires us. So we really had a lovely time during the shoot.
Sharmila ji, how are you dealing with the recent decision of our PM of that 500?
So you want to, this is a lovely evening, we are having such fun, and I've dressed up and I'm wearing my lovely jewelry and lovely sari. So let's celebrate tonight. उसके ऊपर मैं क्या कह सकती हूँ? That I'm absolutely thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled. It'll be a lovely, lovely occasion. No, I think I personally, we have a trust called the Patodi Trust, and we support acid survivors. Yeah, come. So we survive acid survivors. I'm working with some, I don't know if you have heard about Shiros. So and also with other acid survivors. I think as a woman and as an actor, we are so involved with our physical attributes, So I cannot imagine a woman, and just because somebody's told them no, and then just throw acid on somebody. I think it's terrible, and I'm restoring, their faces and cosmetics. So I've been very involved with acid survivors.
Your mom has been the first pioneer for the Lux, and now all the family members probably have been.
In fact, I have one of her old pictures from the her earlier days in the Lux ads that she's done, which I think she looks stunning, and not only a pioneer, but I think a glamorous and very amazing, gracious person even back then. So I'm very proud to be with her today.
This is all in front of the camera, So
if I show her the picture I have with her funky hairstyle and beautifully done, I think it's in the cover of one of the old earlier.
What about now? I think I've got a funky hairstyle now.
It's stunning.
Thank you.
Ma'am, film 31st October, we do आपने क्या वो मूवी देखी है?
Yes, I see all my. I'm a great fan of Sohas. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. She played a very matured, and I think she acted very well. The narrative is very important, and we must remember what happened on the 31st October. We should never forget it so that it doesn't happen again. And I think these films are very important.
I take a opportunity to ask you, फिरोजी साहब के ऊपर फिल्म या किताब के बारे में काफ़ी समय से चर्चा हो रही है, कितनी सहमत हैं आप और क्या चाहेंगे ऐसा हो?
Why not? Of course, मैं चाहूँगी कि ऐसा हो. And if somebody really, directs it properly and has proper research, I think, his life has got a lot of things about the accident, about losing his father, and playing cricket with such a handicap. So it's quite
And
interesting.
how he wooed my mother as well. I think that will make the
Yes.
best part of the film.
First Lux girl.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Film is better.
We've already published a book, and there is again a biography also in the pipeline. But film is different, it's a three-dimensional, it's got a different appeal. I really don't know. I really don't know. Somebody who looks like Tiger. Maybe Ranbir Kapoor or somebody in the family. How's that?
And who will be Shabnam?
That's a real challenge. Huh? What about Alia Bhatt? See, we've done the casting already.
And then we'll say when we have to cast this much, we'll have a meeting.
We'll have a cameo role. Yeah.
And then what have you planned for Miss Kareena Kapoor Khan, like for the planting?
Now, I'm not discussing what I've planned for her, and of course we are just going to celebrate and have a lot of fun. And I don't know whether she really wants a baby shower. I think she's just wants to be quiet and just spend time with her family. I'm sure she'll have some, all her friends like Amrita and Malaika and all these people will come and cheer her up. But I don't think it'll be a big baby shower.
एक सवाल सबके मन में है, क्या इंडिया में मुंबई में है या अब्रॉड में, like she will be going for the new
Most certainly not. Why? What's wrong with India?
Mumbai?
Of course. I mean, this is where we have lived and worked, and why should we go somewhere else?
तो सबसे टेंशन हट गया.
हाँ ना, क्योंकि what a ridiculous question. We are, अच्छा,
दुनिया में मन ऐसे
हम लोग पागल है कि वहाँ जाएंगे और in winter it's cold. I mean, all the comfort of home. Of course, yeah.
Hinduja Khag या beach candy.
Yes. Even home is better than going abroad.
Thank you so much. We had a very nice conversation with you. But we have been following मतलब एक rituals कि एक flying kiss लेके जा रहा है यहाँ पे. तो आप भी like
No, I'm a very Indian. I don't do all these flying kiss, and at my age, I most certainly won't do any flying kiss. I'll just say bye. You mean like Donald Trump, like this kind of a thing?
Miss India.
I'm not Miss India. I'm Sharmila Tagore. All right. No, I'm not giving you any flying kiss. Bye. How about a smile? That's good enough, no? Yes, lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.